And his opponent making his way to the red corner. He is a master of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and one of Croatia's most promising MMA fighters in this weight division. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Luka Jelcic.
Niggas used to come and get me when it was time to disagree with an enemy. Pass the Hennessy and give me energy. Pack the gat in the small of my back. Where these niggas at? I clear the whole pack. Talking shit cause I'm down for my set. I'm a vet, smoking on a wet cigarette.
Who these niggas think they are? Wishing on their ghetto star. I represent my town.
Man, I start busting and they scatter like water bugs. Cause these west side niggas is harder thugs. Enslave us, but nothing can save us from sporting Ben Davis, shooting at your neighbors. Cause sometimes I feel like a nut. Don't give a fuck, wanna open you up. Hot rocks fly from the back seat. And buster ass niggas run like a track meet. And if you caught in the middle, bleed more than a little. What? Killer King is the hospital. Feeling numb from the bullets I hum. And when they hit, black mothers have fits. I don't give a shit. Fool, I'm a vet, you can bet that I could dance underwater and not get wet. Check.
It's raining bullets and I'm still there. I'm still there.
My house shoes get wet from the dew on the grass up early in the morning. Taking out the trash. Feeling like a loser, alcohol abuser. Two youngsters roll up on the beach cruiser. One on the pedals, the other on the handlebars. Trying to be ghetto stars, they said.
Are you from the west side? Is it so?
I said hell yeah, and who wanna know? In slow-mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. MMA competition according to Pride rules in the lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 70 kilograms even, with a professional record of 1 win and 1 loss. Fighting with the Stabile team in Novara, Italy. Let's hear it once again for Elia Mado. And his opponent in the red corner. He has an official weight of 70.4 kilograms with a near perfect record of 5 wins and only 1 loss, with 2 of those victories coming here in the FFC. Fighting out of the House of Pain in Zagreb, Croatia, please welcome Luka Jelcic.
Time. Fight.
Le braccia. Rientra con l'anteruto, dai. Rientra con l'anteruto, dai. Dai Elia, rientra con l'anteruto. Bravo. Ora basso alto, non usare le gambe.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 1 minute and 1 second into round one, we have your winner by knockout, fighting out of Croatia, Luka Jelcic.